Today's topic is matrix multiplication. Okay, so we have given two matrices. A is 2 4 3 5, B is equal to 6 4 3 2. That means these two matrices of the size 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so question is that find AB means the product between A and B we have to find out here. Okay, so first, what is the method behind the multiplication of matrices? The method is that we have to multiply row with column. Okay, so first convert A as 2 4 3 5. Okay, and B as 6 3 and 4 2. Means we have created A matrix as a row matrix and B as column matrix. Okay, so now it will be easy to find out the multiplication. So the A into B will be this row into this one column. Okay, so 2 into 6 plus 4 into 3, that will be the first place, like 2 and 6. Okay, so like that first place we have find out here. Now next 2 into 4 plus 4 into 2, that is 2 into 4 first row and second column for this second place. Now next one, the second row, so concentrate on this second row into these two columns. Okay, so 3 into 6 plus 5 into 3. Now next 3 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Now just cross check it. These figures, look it, 6 6 3 3 4 4 2 2. It means we are clear. Now 2 4 2 4 3 5 3 5 3 5. Okay, so after cross checking we get ideas that the cross multiplication is correct. So solve it. 2 into 6 12, 4 into 3 12, 3 into 6 18 plus 5 into 3 15. Next 2 into 4, that is 8 plus 4 into 2 8, 3 into 4 12 plus 5 into 2 10. Now simplify it. This is 24, this is 16, this is 33, this is 22. So the final answer, that is A into B, will be like this, that is AB. Now if question is find BA, question is find BA, then simply create two matrices, that is B as a row matrix, that will be 6 4, second 3 2, and column A will be next, so that will be 2 3, it is first column matrix of A, and 4 5. Okay, the first matrix is P, that's why we have created two row matrices of B as 6 4 3 2 and column matrices of A, that is 2 3 4 5. Now find the values. So row into column, that is 6 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Now 6 into 4 plus 4 into 5. Next row will be 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3, 3 into 4 plus 2 into 5. So check it, 2 2 3 3, 4 4 5 5. That means we are correct. Now next is 6 into 2 12 plus 12, 24 plus 20, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 10. Final answer will be 24, 44, then 12 and 22. That is the multiplication of matrices that size is 2 by 2. Now matrix is A and B here and size is 3 by 3. Okay, earlier we have seen that the matrix multiplication of two matrices having size 2 by 2. Now the matrix is of size 3 by 3. Okay, so method is same. We have to find out A into B. Okay, so first, that is first row with first column multiplication will be there. So 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 4 into minus 3. That is the first place. Then 1 into 1. Now first row and second column. So 1 into 1, then 2 into 2 plus 4 into 2. That is first row, second column. Now for third place, first row, third column. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 into minus 1. Okay. That first step, what we have done, that first row is multiplied with the first column, that is 4 minus 1 minus 3. Okay, now for the next, that second row, concentrate on this row, and this row will multiplied with this first column. So 3 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 3. Next step will be second row, second column. So 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2. That is second row, second column. Now for this one place, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 3 and next 1 into minus 1. That is second row, third column. Now look for this one. So this is third row and third row. For this place, third row into first column multiplication will be there. That is 6 into 4 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 4 into minus 3. Next 6 into 1 plus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 2. Then 6 into 1 plus 5 into 3 and last one will be 4 into minus 1. Matrix complete. Okay, so what we have done, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. So that places we have completed. For second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Then last one, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. So like this we have find out all the values. Now simplify it. A, B, that matrix. 4 into 1, 4 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 into plus 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12. Next 1 plus 4 plus 8, then 1 plus 6 and minus 4. 12 minus 2 minus 3. 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 6 minus 1. 6 into 4, 24 minus 5 minus 12, 6 plus 10 plus 8, 6 plus 15 and minus 4. So after simplifying we get these values. Okay, now final answer will be minus 12, minus 2, minus 14 and 4 minus 10. Then 1 plus 4 5 plus 8 13. Then 6 plus 1 7 minus 4 3. Then minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 12 7. 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9. 3 plus 6 9 minus 1 8. Now 5 minus 12 minus 17 plus 24 plus 7. 6 plus 10 16 plus 8 24 and 6 minus 4 plus 2 plus 15 17. This is a very simple matrix multiplication of 3 by 3 matrix or 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, that is a very simple method behind to find out the multiplication of two matrices. Okay, now if you have given a matrix like A is equal to 2 4 1 0 and B is equal to 1 2 3 minus 3 2 minus 1, means what? The size of A is 2 by 2 and size of B is 2 by 3, means 2 rows 3 columns. Then find the value of AB. Then how to find it? AB is equal to first row, first column, second column, third column. So 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 3. 2 into 2 plus 4 into 2. 2 into 3 plus 4 into minus 1. Now next row, first column, second column, third column. 1 into minus 3 plus 0, plus 1 into minus, 1 into, this is 1, that is first row, first column, 1 and 0 into minus 3. Now 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. 1 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1. Simplify it. 2 minus 12, 4 plus 8, 6 minus 4, that is 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0. After solving it, the solution of A into B will be, that is minus 10, 12, 2, 1, 2 and 3. So 2 by 2 matrix and 2 by 3 matrix, after multiplication taking between these two matrices, the answer will be this and the size of matrix will be 2 by 3. So that is very simple topic, the matrix multiplication.